In this video, I'll show you how you can gift games to your friends on Steam. Now first what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're friends with the person real quick, and after that you want to head over to the store. From in here you want to find the game. I'll just select a random game for this video. So what you want to do is you want to select the game, press add to cart like you normally would when you wanted to buy the game. And from in here, instead of pressing view my cart, you want to click on this little drop down and choose this is a gift. From in there, you want to press view my cart. This is a gift is selected. And then what you want to do is continue to gift options. In here, what you want to do is select the gift recipient. And it can be any on your friends list. So I'll just choose a random one. In here, you can choose a little text, like here's a gift for you. And then you can deliver it here, or you can schedule it if you want it to be on a birthday or whatever. And then simply, you just want to continue to payment and add in your payment information and buy it. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple and it's really easy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.